In this video, I'm going to show you a quick hack to get professional feedback on your YouTube video before you even publish it. Now, the first thing I'm going to need to do is drag my video onto my desktop. Now, this is such an annoying part of the process. When you drag a video from your Photos app onto your computer, you just have to wait for it to transfer. And that's something you're going to have to do regardless of whether you use this process or not. And the really annoying thing is Apple doesn't give you any kind of progress bar to let you know how long it's going to take. But I can tell you that for this 10-minute video, it took about 3 minutes to pull the whole 60 frames per second HDR file from my Photos app onto the computer. Once your video is on your desktop, open up this app called MacWhisper. I paid $60 for this app and it has a lifetime license. It was the top recommended app on ChatGPT for how to get a transcript of a video. And as you can see, once I drag the file straight into the app automatically starts transcribing everything in the video. Now I'm gonna have to wait maybe a minute for this 10-minute video to get transcribed just because there's so much content that the AI is reviewing. One nice thing about this app is that it is all happening locally on my computer, so I don't need to wait for any kind of cloud upload. And if I don't have a great Wi-Fi connection, I'm also okay there. All right, and in about 20 seconds, it has already transcribed my whole 10-minute video, and this is using the M1 MacBook Pro. So now what I want to do is copy all of this, and I can just select it and then click copy up here in the upper right corner. And now I can come into ChatGPT. Now, if you don't have any special custom ChatGPT, you can just paste it here and say something like, can you give me advice on how to improve my YouTube video? And then you might want to give it just a sentence of context. And I'm going to paste in the entire transcript and then click send. I'm going to see what comes out from ChatGPT's default. However, after this, I'm going to go ahead and show you a custom GPT from McDowell, who is a YouTuber with 400,000 subscribers and who sells a YouTube course that comes with a free custom GPT. So as you can see here, you can get this result just from using a transcription app and the free version of ChatGPT. But if you want to go a step further, I suggest opening up the WesBot from McDowell's YouTube Academy course and pasting in the same thing. And here I go. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. One nice thing about this custom GPT is that it gives you personalized feedback similar to how a person might actually talk to you. And McDowell would have designed his custom GPT to speak about the same way that he speaks, and it's also trained on all of his expert knowledge. And Wes also asked, would you like help rewriting the intro or hook altogether? Yes, please. A rewrite would be great. Now, I actually think that hook that he wrote, or his AI version of himself wrote, is a fantastic way to start this video. It's just immediately intriguing. So, much better than what I had before. And for all I know, this one change could make my video retain users 5 times better. So I definitely think it's worth taking time, it's worth taking a few minutes to get some feedback on your videos before you publish. This is great. I'm loving what I'm saying. So I actually just want to continue this and see what other advice he has. And he looks like he offered to do a full script outline. So I'm going to go ahead and say sure. It's given me a great title. It's given me a great hook. It's put 3 additional hooks into McDowell's personal format. He likes to use this format where he shows, a few different things that you're going to learn from watching his video. And then he has it in this structure, the problem, the solution. He's given me talking points, so I can still use my own improvisational style. And he's got a visual tip. This is great. Since this has been so helpful so far, I think I'll just continue and actually get a full script. So this is basically doing almost all the work for me. So there you have it. Now you have a full script that you can use for your YouTube video. If you want, you can read that right off of a teleprompter, or you can practice it a couple of times until you're comfortable with it and then perform it live with your own improvisational or personal style. So what do you think? If this was helpful to you, please give it a like and watch my next video for more advice on building your own high-end consulting company.